They have arrived, the new Rode NTH-100. Nice new studio headphones. Two things are really nice. The cable can be switched from one side to the other, depending on where your audio interface is. And you can lock your headband. You change the position here and then you just lock that up. Really nice. They have a special material in there so they stay cool, you don't get sweaty ears, and they have an ergonomic form. But then again, I have big ears, so it is a bit tighter than I thought. My daily drivers are those, the 900 Pro X from Beyerdynamic. Yeah. They're a bit more comfortable for my ears, but then again, I have to use them more. I just got them. In terms of size, those are the Audio Technica's M50X Bluetooth version. Those get uncomfortable after a few hours working. Okay, first impressions, I have my reference playlist. And let's see how they sound. I can control Spotify with my... Interesting. With my phone here. Okay. All right. So first impressions, they are really flat in a way. So low end and high frequencies are there, but they are not as hyped as on other headphones. Rode claimed they are like open back headphones a bit, or kind of like open back headphones, but those are more open. Let me check. Yeah, those sound a bit more open, I think. But then again, those might be more analytic. I can hear a bit more in terms of the mid frequencies. Might be a bit harsher. Anyway, I will test those and use them for my daily work for the next few days or week and make a video about those and how they work in the real world. So far, they seem legit though. All right, back to work.